Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video I purchased I seen those videos that people like I don't buy on Wish and they will give you garbage and it's not what they sell. So I'm like, okay, then next thing I did, I went to Aliexpress as they had a better reputation, I guess. And I purchased two smartphones identical from two different buyers. I purchased this one from a different buyer, same model, and I got two exactly identical boxes. They are the same, exactly same thing. So I don't know if the buyers were the same company, same manufacturer or what. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna buy the same phone. I paid price difference is about $16. So, and let's see. First, I'm gonna show you guys what phone is this one. I'm gonna show you guys the link. Let's go to my browser and check the link. All right, this is the link where I purchased this one. So pretty much, I purchased the phone S21 Ultra. So pretty much, I'm guessing they try and go out with the name of the Samsung S21, I guess. I'm not too sure. It says Face ID, fingerprint, and everything like that. 6 gig of RAM, 128 gig of onboard storage. So that sounds really good to be true for $50. The other one I purchased with different buy was $60. So just let's go through the specs. So it says 6 gig of the RAM, 128 gig of storage, 6.1 inch, 5000 milliamp hour battery. All right, that's cool. I choose the blue color. So this is how it comes with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cameras. And the phone in here, it looks pretty good on the edges, pretty nice and slim. All right, and on the other pictures, they look good. Colors, and 6 reasons why you like to buy this one. So reason 1, 24 megapixel and plus 48 megapixel battery. All right, 4.8 million HD rear cameras, strong 11 core processor, I guess, and wow, many other good things. See, again, 6 gig and 128 gig. And if we look at this one, it will says false water screen. I don't know what does that mean. Look at the borderline on this one. But they have a check that means you get this one over here. With the bezel is really skinny right there. So 6.1 inch from the here. Tiny bezel. The tiny bezel right there. The bezel finishes right under the camera right there. So it looks pretty slick. And obviously dual SIM card and all that good things. I was really interested on these 4 or 5 cameras. So when we go down, you see model S21 Ultra. Platform is MTK6889 dual SIM chip. The screen 6.8 Full HD. And what else? 6 gig of RAM, 128 gigabyte RAM. So they actually will tell you it's a RAM. And so let's see. We're gonna open it up and we're gonna go through the phone and see if it's true or not. And it tells you what it includes in the phone. So let's see what we get here. I like the bezel is really skinny. So comparing this one, let's go to the phone and let's open it up. Now that we saw what we purchased online, so we're gonna unbox it, take it away. Right away, we get this sticker. It comes with all the information, serial number, IMEI number, and Ultra S21 Ultra, which just tells you right there. All right, let's leave this to one side. And there's the phone. What else do we get in here? A charger that is not for a US charging. And we do get some really crappy, the worst headset ever made, I guess. So you get a macro USB charger. And this one is a what? I would say 1 amp, 5 volt, 1 amp. It's not even fast charger. So with 1 amp, it's gonna take you ages to charge this one. If it is what it says, 5000 milliamp. Look at the build on this one. It's like a really crappy. It feels like a kid's toy, like a cable quality garbage. So definitely not a Samsung S21. All right, let's go for the phone. It comes with a bubble wrap. All right. It comes another protective wrap. All right. Okay. Look at the bezel on this one. Look at humongous bezel. It's got more than a half a centimeter bezel right here, and half a centimeter bezel on top. They do give you a screen protection on it, protective glass on top, but the bezel are humongous. Alright, let's look at the back. Battery cover, it tells you how to open it up. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cameras, a flash, SIM card reader is supposed to be somewhere, which I can't see. It says it goes from one side. I don't see it. Maybe it's underneath, it says. So let's remove that cover. So put your finger right in the corner. As everything else, let's pop it open. Cover right there. Right away we see the 5000 milliamp battery right there. We do see the S21 Ultra. Let's put the battery back on. 2 SIM trays and 1 SIM card reader. I don't see. Alright, so I see it's secured. There's a tape right on the screw right in the corner. So if you try to remove it, I'm interested to see what's inside here. If they do actually have a 6 gig RAM and 126 gig chip in there. So let's go open it up. I'm gonna grab my screwdriver set. The tape that they put there, they don't even have a screw right there. It's just a tape. There's no screw. There's a screw hole, but there's no screw in it. So they just put a fake tape. There we go. So let's remove it completely. All right, wow. I don't know why I'm not even surprised. Look at this one. I removed the cover and there is no 4 camera. There's one garbage camera right there and we're gonna test it out. And the flash is not even sitting properly, just hanging in there, just one tiny LED. So, and the front end camera is right there. So we can just remove the foam right on top. So this is your front end camera, a small one, tiny one, and the back camera is right here. It's just one camera. There's no 4 cameras or anything like that. And the motherboard on this side, it doesn't even have any component, almost is empty. So let's go ahead and remove the motherboard. And I'm pretty sure convinced that this one doesn't have any 6 gig RAM or anything like that. The card is out. And let's go ahead and remove the speaker. And there we have it. So this is the motherboard, the whole thing. So there's not even a heat sink or anything like that. On this side is a shield right in here. And it even tells you it's a 2015. It's a 3G cell phone. So probably the RAM or the hard drive, the storage on this one is a fakely made. It's a different firmware to show you that it has a 16 or 228 gig storage. Probably if you try to fill it up, it will not even store that much. And the RAM is not 6 gig. That's for sure. I can assure you guys it's not a 6 gig. They do have a soldered on the board this heat spreader. So we're gonna put it back together and see. They have a little vibrator on the bottom. This is for a vibration. Power jack, 1 speaker on the bottom, speakerphone. and this is the smallest speaker right there. And the camera, it looks like any ordinary camera. I'm pretty shocked, but yeah. So let's put it together and let's power it on. Okay, this is the second version that I bought, so I'm not gonna waste time putting it together. I'm just gonna grab this other one. Same thing exact. And we're gonna power it on and see what we get. So we get a welcome screen at least. No sound or anything like that. No service, no SIM card, so slide battery. We can go ahead and plug it in. The screen really looks pixelated, so it's not even good. So let's see, go to the option. The touch is horrible. So settings. It is very choppy. I bought the phone. It does tell you 6 gig RAM, 126 ROM, but that's not true. You try to use that. This is not a 6 gig RAM phone. That's for sure. So they pretty much modded the firmware, everything. And the picture quality, let's see how's the picture quality. How do you even go to the main page? There we go. So let's turn on the camera. Oh boy. How about the front facing camera? So how do we switch? Alright guys, this is it. This is what you get when you order on Aliexpress. This is a $50-$60 phone, and they advertise it as an 5G phone with a 6 gig RAM and 128 gig storage. Again, we open it up. The board is nothing near that. It doesn't even have a full camera. It only has one camera. So, and the camera quality is really garbage. The screen is stutters and there's a lag on the screen. Obviously, it feels like a 200 meg RAM. And again, I guess Wish and AliExpress, they share the same sellers. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and helped you guys out to know what you're getting into. And if you like the video, please click that thumbs up button. If you have any question or request, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.